Hey, this is your Hollywood Maintenance. Given the CH62 code, I'm going to show you how to reset the system. Even if it's getting CH29, it's just temporary. We're waiting for a part. Stuff's made in Korea. And with the pandemic, of course, it takes forever to get stuff. Now I'll go up on the roof. All right, I'm on the roof now. This one has a master and one slave. That's what they call it. Going by what it's called. No matter what, you always do the main one, the master, always lasts when you're turning it on or shutting it off. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna shut this one off. Shut this one off. Now I'm gonna set my timer for 5 minutes. And I'll be back. All right, I'm back. Just so you can see for yourself. Always do this one last, the main one, the master. So I'm gonna turn it back on. Turn this one on first. Like we shut this one off first. Turn this one on. Now it's gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes to communicate. I believe it's 3 minutes to communicate with the heat return box and the fan coil unit to the thermostat. But I wanna show you over here real quick. Not all of them have 2 disconnects and stuff. On ours over here, like if it's just one, all you have to do is just shut off the one for 5 minutes. That's it. We have another one with commercial space that I have a previous video for. This one has 1 main and then 2 subs over here. What we have to shut these ones off first, then go around and shut off the main. And these ones are just 1 each. These ones you just shut this off for 5 minutes, turn it back on. Now I'm gonna go back down to the unit so we can see what the thermostat says. Okay, we're back at the thermostat. I hear it on, but it's thinking still because once it's on fully, you're gonna see outdoor unit right here. Hasn't been the full 3 minutes to think. When it comes on, I'll come back in. All right, now that I heard the fan speed kick up, I just want to show you. See, it does say outdoor unit, like I was saying. So now it's totally communicating. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.